Imagine a spectacular celebration of innovation and progress in the early 20th century. Welcome to the Pan American Exposition of 1901, held in Buffalo, New York. Stretching across 350 acres, this mesmerizing fair united the Americas, promoting culture and technology. Its crown jewel? The Electric Tower is standing 391 feet tall, dazzling visitors with over 200,000 incandescent bulbs. A breathtaking marvel of the age. The expo highlighted groundbreaking inventions like the X-ray machine and the wireless telegraph. Visitors marveled at the wonders of electricity, from electric fountains to illuminated buildings. One standout attraction was the Miracle of Light exhibit, showcasing Nikola Tesla's high-voltage spectaculars. Yet, amidst the grandeur, tragedy struck. President William McKinley was assassinated here, casting a shadow over the expo's legacy. Despite this, the Pan American Exposition remains a significant milestone, symbolizing the dawn of a new era in American history.